Hello YouTubers! Today I'm going to show you my Lego Kit Kat vending machine. Skip 15 seconds if you don't want to see the intro. Here I will give you a 360 view of the machine. This vending machine takes the smaller Kit Kats, the smallest ones that can go in wrappers. If you would like to see a vending machine that takes larger Kit Kats, I have links in the description. Put in a quarter as shown. You get a Kit Kat. Tasty. Nom 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 nom. Second try. Third try. You get a Kit Kat. Collecting the earnings. Secret storage. So I can put whatever I want in here. Might as well build a secret storage if you have extra space. Refilling. Take the lid off. And when putting the Kit Kats in, make sure it looks exactly like the image. Now the ends don't have to be bent. In fact, it's better if it looks like this, with the ends like that. It's better if you have Kit Kats like that. Then your machine's less guaranteed to jam. If it jams, you just flip the machine upside down and you shake out the Kit Kat until it pops out. And then you put it back in, but it has to look exactly like this, otherwise the Kit Kats won't go through smoothly. The machine does tend to jam over time a little bit, so I do warn you if you want to build the machine. Invalid coins are rejected. Pennies, nickels, and dimes. All these coins right over here get returned to the customer. And still won't go through. Now for the mechanism. Put in a quarter, lifts up the bar. This blue piece just adds more weight, so it's more guaranteed to work. And when you pull it, that's what it does. I'll show you from this angle now. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.